SANIPAK is honored to have this opportunity to present our organization and technology to the Department of Veterans Affairs. For over 25 years, we have faithfully served several of our Veterans Affairs installations. As one of the first clean and green alternatives to incineration, we are proud that our technology and methodology complies with Executive Order 13514. This presentation will illustrate how SANIPAK is uniquely qualified to fulfill the obligation of this contract. Based on existing manufacturing and service capabilities, our leadership role in this industry is 100% organic and earned through a no-compromise commitment to quality. For this reason, more hospitals have selected SANIPAK over all other non-incinerator technologies combined worldwide. Operation of the system from start to finish. Although the SANIPAK equipment designs may vary depending upon the specific site or application, the overall operation is fairly standard. The process begins when the solid and medical waste is collected from the various points of generation. Many of our clients will use our touch-free collection carts. These carts eliminate the risk of injury from handling or lifting the waste material. Furthermore, these carts can be linked, which reduces the overall time and labor required for waste collection. These carts are also DOT approved and can be used to transport medical waste from on-site facilities such as C-box units. The carts are brought to the SANIPAK and are automatically loaded into the sterilization chamber. Our process contrasts from how other autoclave technologies operate. Other autoclave technologies require significant handling and expose the operator to back, burn, and needle stick injury. Each SANIPAK operator is assigned an operator ID code that is required to operate the system. This code is also used to track the activity of individual operators as it relates to the sterilization process. Sterilization process. Once the sterilization chamber is loaded, it is placed in the horizontal position and the door is closed. The operator then initiates the sterilization cycle. The sterilization cycle includes a combination of high vacuum pulsing along with up to a 38 psi steam pressure. When the sterilizer reaches 270 degrees Fahrenheit, the 30-minute timer is activated. These treatment parameters meet and exceed all state and federal requirements for sterilization of infectious waste. Waste discharge. The SANIPAK has the capability to contact the operator via pager to notify of the cycle status. When the sterilization cycle is complete, the operator presses a button to discharge the sterilized waste into the compactor. Some designs also include an integrated shredder. If shredding, macerating, or breaking up the infectious waste is ever to occur, it should only happen after the waste has been fully sterilized to avoid potential aerosolization of deadly pathogens. Alarmingly, some technologies break open the infectious waste prior to sterilization and create harmful exposure when the blades, augers, or shredders require servicing. All SANIPAK units only shred or compact after the waste has been fully sterilized. Solid innocuous waste disposal. While the medical waste is undergoing sterilization, solid waste can be simultaneously disposed of into the integrated high-density compactor. Most compactors achieve a 4-to-1 compression ratio. However, SANIPAK system achieves a 6-to-1 compression ratio, which results in fewer waste pickups, lower cost, and less landfill consumption. The automation of our technology also applies to solid waste disposal. The most common entry for healthcare workers that manage waste is rotator cuff entries. Our touch-free solution eliminates that risk. Equipment utility requirements. The utility requirements for a SANIPAK include single and three-phase power, water, steam, sanitary drain, and a dedicated data line for network access. Space requirements. In most cases, the SANIPAK unit will replace an existing solid waste compactor, and within the same footprint, the hospital will manage both the solid and medical waste. Unlike other waste systems, which often require hospitals to incur additional construction cost to accommodate the installation of this generic equipment. Based upon the waste processing schedules prescribed in the BPA, SANIPAK has proposed multiple designs that will apply to any VA scenario. Advantages of the system. SANIPAK has evolved to be the most advanced technology for managing both medical and solid waste. There are multiple advantages that distinguish SANIPAK from any other technology. No other technology or company has a matched track record for performance and proven reliability. Safest and most automated technology. SANIPAK has engineered a material handling process that protects VA healthcare staff from any back, burn, or needle stick injuries, from waste generation on patient floors to the sterilization and disposal process. No human hand should contact the waste material. Lowest life cycle cost in the industry. The SANIPAK system is economically the most efficient waste treatment systems in the world. To calculate the life cycle cost of our technology, we factor capital investment, labor, maintenance, utilities, consumables, and landfill disposal. The total operational cost of our technology is normally between 6 and 9 cents per pound. The most versatile design that can be installed indoors or outdoors. Our custom designs and durable fabrication allow our technology to be installed in nearly any type of environment. Our design goal is to provide a system that will be compatible with the existing installation site, unlike other technologies that require additional construction to accommodate their equipment. The ability to manage 2 significant waste streams in one compact footprint. Our patented design allows hospitals to manage their 2 largest waste streams with one piece of equipment. This process often frees up valuable real estate due to the efficiencies of managing both medical and solid waste in a compact footprint. The most advanced electronic management system. The SANIPAK comes equipped with advanced electronic management systems known as IntelliCom. This self-monitoring system allows our clients to manage both waste generation data as well as employee performance. We are also able to monitor all our systems that are connected in real time to our plant in Northern California. We are also working on providing the Department of Veterans Affairs the ability to monitor all of their SANIPAK operations from a centralized administrator. The most reliable treatment technology with a 35-year track record. In addition to predictable equipment performance, many SANIPAK designs include a built-in backup to eliminate any unscheduled downtime. Within the VA system, we are not aware of any of our clients that have needed to outsource their medical waste disposal due to catastrophic failure. Each system has an expected life of 20+ years. This has been challenged and proven by many of our VA clients. The most durable construction with 316L stainless steel. SANIPAK does not compromise on quality of materials or workmanship. Furthermore, each system undergoes a rigorous QC process prior to leaving our factory. We specifically select materials and components that will not fail. Preferred treatment method by most landfills in the U.S. SANIPAK has worked with most landfills and solid waste companies across the U.S. There is a consensus in the solid waste industry that waste professionals prefer the SANIPAK treatment process of sterilization. Our process encapsulates the sterilized medical waste in a polypropylene liner so that the landfill spotters have 2 visual methods of verifying proper sterilization: shrunken appearance and thermal strips that change color when sterilized. Other technologies that rely on shredding do not provide this visual proof and confirmation for the landfills. Advanced Odor Management System. Most waste treatment systems generate a foul odor when the waste is heated. SANIPAK has developed a 3-tier odor management process that prevents such odors and allows our equipment to be installed in sensitive patient and residential locations. The only company to provide factory training and certification for VA staff. As part of our 3-tier training program, SANIPAK will fly engineers from each Department of Veterans Affairs hospital that installs a SANIPAK unit to our factory in Northern California for factory training and certification. Quality that is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. SANIPAK is so confident with the quality of our equipment that we offer a limited lifetime warranty for the Department of Veterans Affairs. Maintenance. Much of the maintenance on the SANIPAK is very similar to what is recommended for a standard compactor. In addition to checking fluid levels and hoses, the sterilizer O-ring door gasket requires basic maintenance attention. The door gasket is generally replaced 2 to 4 times a year, and the procedure takes only 5 to 10 minutes. Proper cleaning of the equipment and work area is the primary maintenance. There are many common questions about the SANIPAK system. For example, what type of system do you supply for recording system operation, i.e., weight, volume, temperature, and runtime? SANIPAK's onboard diagnostic system anticipates the need for service, repairs, consumables, and other performance factors by constantly analyzing equipment performance, thereby avoiding any unscheduled downtime. The SANIPAK in-house monitoring software automatically reports on employee performance, waste management, efficiency, and equipment performance variations. The IntelliCom system sends notifications directly to the hospital. If there is need for attention at the machine, it is also able to notify the waste hauler when the container will be in need of a pickup. The system is remotely programmable to automatically respond to endless custom design conditions. The cycle data is stored and can be accessed using the in-house monitoring software at the individual hospital. We are developing the ability to access each SANIPAK by a centralized authority to track equipment and employee performance, as well as waste volume data from hospitals within the VA system, while simultaneously providing the security encryption necessary to meet HIPAA requirements. Does the unit work with a shredder and/or compactor? Is it part of the unit, or can it be bypassed? SANIPAK units can be designed with a compactor and integrated shredder. However, a majority of our clients select our sterilizer with integrated high-density compactor. SANIPAK has the only advanced autoclave design that can automatically bypass the integrated shredders when the shredders are being serviced. The SANIPAK technology is designed so that the sterilization process is not incumbent of a compactor or shredder, even if the equipment is integrated. Does the system interface with most cart systems, or are special carts required? SANIPAK has designed our waste management equipment to work with a vast array of collection carts. Through decades of actual application, we have found that our 64 and 96-gallon carts provide the greatest safety and automation for our clients. In addition, since these carts are Department of Transportation approved, they offer our hospitals the option of transporting medical waste from their off-site facilities to the main hospital for sterilization. Each proposed offer is a complete waste management system, including carts. In conclusion, we can demonstrate our capability to fully deliver the requirements of this contract, as illustrated with the following VA installations. Thank you for your consideration.